Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be very different and very interesting. Today we are going to be doing our very first P.O. Box unboxing video. Mail vlog, I guess that's what the cool kids on the internet call it. They call it a mail vlog. So welcome to our very first mail vlog. We have Nugget here as well. We got the whole gang. And today Coda went to the P.O. Box and picked up these two packages that were in the P.O. Box. I am super excited. Shout out to Megan and Michael Worley and Tatiana Hill. Both of you guys are actually from the state of North Carolina. So, very interesting. If you guys want to be featured in our next P.O. Box mail vlog video, then definitely check out the link in the description below for our P.O. Box address, and you can send over a postcard or whatever else you want to send us, and we will be sure to open it up and unbox it in our next video. So, I'm super excited to check this out. I'm very excited. Never in my life did I think that I would get to a point on YouTube where we would be able to have a P.O. Box and people would be requesting to send us things in the P.O. Box. I'm happy with just a postcard, honestly, which is what I think this is. Not quite sure what's in here, but really big postcard. But no, I'm honestly super excited to open this up. So thank you so much to you guys, Megan and Michael and Tatiana, for sending this stuff out. I'm super excited to crack it open. Let's not waste any more time. Let's check this out. Let's open the first one, the smallest one first. Oh, there's a note!
Is that what I think it is? Oh my god.
I think it's ear savers. I think it's ear savers.
I love it.
I love this. This is so nice. We got some ear savers. We have a note. Okay, so I do apologize if I butcher this because I am not good at reading cursive.
Eventually.
I feel like I just won a Wheel of Fortune.
Okay, I apologize in advance. It took us entirely too long to figure out what this said. We got it for the most part, but there was some parts in there where we could not understand cursive and just blame the American education system for us not knowing how to read cursive. But okay, I think we got it. Theme Park Express. Adrian, we came across your channel back in the spring and have enjoyed your videos. Really like how you comment on all the non-mask wearing people. It really needs to be said to hopefully get people to understand the importance of it. After wearing a mask at work for 10 to 12 hours a day, my ears were hating me, period. Asked my wife to come up with something since she is running an Etsy store. She calls them button hand ear savers. Just hook the ear loop of the mask to the button around your neck. Is that neck?
Where we at? Yep, neck.
Yep. Hopefully they work for you and Coda if you choose to wear them. Keep up the good work. Stay safe. Mike and... Mike and Megan Worley. Thank you so much for this. I do sincerely apologize that it took us so long to figure out what you wrote. We do not know how to read cursive, and we are 20-something-year-old millennials who don't know how to read cursive. But let's go ahead and crack this open, and I cannot wait to try these out. Next time we go to a park, we got to remember to wear these, and I really want to try them out. But that is so cool. They made us little ear savers, so we can hook our mask to this and wear it around our neck. It's so cool. Thank you so much, Mike and Megan. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Also, I just want to let you guys know, if you guys do write us a note, I am going to be saving each and every single one of these. We're going to get a little box somewhere, and we're going to be saving all the little notes that you write us. So, thank you guys so much. All right, next package is from Tatiana Hill. I'm very interested to see what this one is. It is a bigger package, and it's taller than Nugget. So I'm super excited to see what's in here. I honestly have no idea where to even begin thinking about what's in here.
Nugget has a sleeping bag. Oh no. What was that look for?
You're gonna like this.
Okay.
You're gonna like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. You have got to be kidding me.
Oh, I love him.
Nugget has a brother. Oh my god, this is so cute.
Does this one have feet? Oh my god.
It's got feet. It has feet. It's a little crocheted nugget.
Oh, I love him.
This is so nice. I cannot believe this. This is so awesome. Oh my god. That is adorable. Oh my god. I absolutely love it. And I think Coda loves it too. That is insane. How long did it take you to make that?
I love him.
That is so nice. Okay, so that's definitely going in the background of the videos in the room. Where else were you going to put it?
With Nugget.
That's definitely going in the room. And there's a note in here, too. There's a letter in here. From the Hill family. Coda's amused that it opens up. He can flash people.
I don't know what I should be used with, but here we are.
Oh my god, that is so adorable. I love it. All right, let's open up this letter here. All right, it says these good vibes will never expire. Aw. Oh no, they sent us pictures. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's get to the pictures in a second. Hi, Theme Park Express, and hello from North Carolina. My name is Tatiana, and my family, Deborah, Howard, Shauna, and Andre. Love your channel. I love to crochet, so I made Coda and you a little nugget friend for Big Nugget. I hope you like it. We do. Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you so much, and they sent us pictures of themselves. That is so nice, from Ripley's Aquarium in Myrtle Beach and Universal Studios in front of, who is that? Megatron. That is so nice. Thank you so much. I'm not going to show the pictures on the camera because I don't know if you guys want to, be shown like that. But honestly, thank you so much. We really appreciate it. Coda loves it. And we are definitely going to be keeping that for a very long time. And we're going to be sure to keep your note or your letter here in a box with everything else that we get from you guys in the future. Thank you so much. This is the card. I don't know if it's going to focus. This is the card. It's so nice. Honestly, thank you guys so much. You really didn't have to do that, but we are definitely going to cherish this little baby Nugget. Nugget has a pet. He's got a pet or a little brother. I don't know. It's yet to be determined, but this is absolutely incredible. Thank you guys so much for sending this stuff to our P.O. Box. Again, guys, if you want to be featured in the next P.O. Box mail vlog, definitely check down in the description below for the P.O. Box address, and we'll be sure to collect everything. We'll give it about another couple weeks or so, and then we'll go back to the P.O. Box and check and see if anything's there, and we will do another P.O. Box unboxing, mail vlog video, whatever you want to call it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Coda's going to be just obsessed with this crocheted Baby Yoda for the next few hours, I'm sure. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing. Leave a like down below. If you want to become a member of the Express Squad, then definitely click that join button down below. If you become a Tier 3 member, then you get shoutouts in each and every single one of our videos in the foreseeable future. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope you are all having a wonderful day, morning, afternoon, evening, and we will see you guys in the next video.